The length of cuboid is 12 centimeters, breadth and height are equal in measurements, and its volume is 432 cubic centimeters. The cuboid is cut into two cubes. Find the lateral surface area of each cube. Solution: the cuboid is having the shape like as shown from the figure. It can be observed that the cuboid is having 6 faces. Its length is 12 centimeters with equal breadth and height. Given data for a cuboid, length L is equal to 12 centimeters. Let breadth B is equal to x centimeters. Height h is equal to x centimeters. Therefore, volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, that is equal to 432 cubic centimeters, which implies 12 into x is equal to 432, which implies x square is equal to 432 by 12, which implies x square is equal to 36, which implies x equals to square root of 36, that is equal to 6. Therefore, breadth is equal to 6 centimeters and height is equal to 6 centimeters. So, the dimensions of cuboid are 12 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. In order to have two cubes, the cuboid must be cut along its length so as to make two equal cubes of dimensions 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Note that cuboid is cut into two cubes, so length of each cube should be 6 centimeters. Therefore, lateral surface area of each cube equals to 4 into side square, that is equal to 4 into 6 square, that is equal to 144 centimeter square.